In this class, we will learn about the successor and predecessors of a number, skip counting, and exercise part. And page number 81, it is successor and predecessor. Successor means when you add 1 to any number, you will get the successor of that number. For example, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 43 lakh, 89,165 is the number. So, while writing the successor of this number, when you add 1 to this, you will get 6 here remaining. So, successor of 43,89,165 is 43,89,166. So, one number more than that number. So, this is a successor. When you add 1 to any number, you will get the successor of that number. Successor means next number. In case of predecessor, pre means here before. Pre. So, predecessor, same number I'm taking here. Forty-three lakh 89,165. Predecessor of the number is, you have to subtract 1 from that number. 5 minus 1, 4. 6, 1, 9, 8, 3, 4. Predecessor of this number is, predecessor of 43,89,165 is 43,89,164. So this is about successor and predecessor. But one thing you have to keep in your mind, when you go for successor of largest number of any digit, say suppose largest digit of 9,99,999. 9,99,999. So successor of this number is, it's a 6-digit, largest 6-digit number. When you add 1 to this, I mean when you get the successor of this number, it will be, it's the largest 6-digit number, largest 6-digit number. When you add 1 to this number, it means when you get the successor of that number, it will be smallest 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number you will get, because see, 9 plus 1, 10. I'm writing 0, carry 1, 0, 1, 0, carry 1, 10, 0, carry 1. See, successor of 9,99,999 is 10 lakh. 9,99,999 plus 1, that is 10 lakh. It is the smallest 6-digit number. When we add 1 to that number, we got smallest 7-digit number. So earlier it was largest 6-digit number. When we add 1 to this number, we got smallest 7-digit number. This is the successor of this number. Okay, predecessor. 10 lakh. Predecessor of 10 lakh. We have to subtract 1. So 10 minus 1, 9. It is 9. Here it is 9. 9. 0. Predecessor, here it was the smallest 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number. The predecessor of smallest 7-digit number is largest 6-digit number. Predecessor of smallest 7-digit number is largest 6-digit number, that is 9,99,999. Here there were 7 digits. Here now we have only 6 digits. Skip counting. Skip counting. Say skipping particular numbers. Say for example, I am writing 10, 20, 30, 40. So I skipped 10 between this. So here 10. 11 to 19 I did not write. 10 plus 10. So I skipped 10 here. It is 1,65,695. Skip counting. By skipping 5, 1,65,700. 1,65,705. 1,65,710. Say 1,65,695, 1,65,700, 1,65,705, 1,65,710. It means skip counting means I added 5 here. See, when I add 5, we will get this number. When we add 5 to this number, we will get this number. When we add 5 to this number, we will get this number. So you can skip by any number, but same difference should be same. Here there is number 1,56,289. All the numbers between 1,56,289 and 1,56,320. In between these two numbers, we have to skip by 5. See, 1,56,294. 1,56,299. So the difference is 5. And next difference 1,56,304. See, 299 and 304. The difference is 5. Again, when you add 5, you will get this number. You add 5 to this, you will get 1,56,314 and 1,56,319. So difference should be same. It is not a compulsory of taking difference of 5 or 10. So any number you can take, but difference should be same. Write the place value, exercise B. Write the place value of the digit encircled in each number. So it is 47,58,762. Place value, remember, not face value, place value of digits encircled. Encircled digit is 2. 2 is in one's place. So 2 into 1 is 2. So here encircled digit is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 3 is in 10 crore place. So place value of 3 is 30 crore. Because 3 into 10 crore, 30 crore. Here there is encircled digit, that is 3. 3 is in 10 lakh place. So place value of 3 is 30 lakh. 3 into 10 lakh, 30 lakh. Write the face value of the digits encircled in each number. Face value, remember, the same digit whether it is in any places. So face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 8 is 8. Write the predecessor and successor. Predecessor means previous number, successor means next number. Easily you can write the following numbers in expanded form in this way. Expand it. 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 3. So write the following numbers in short form in reverse. 50 lakh plus 60,000, 3,708. 50 lakh 63,000, because 60,000 here 3,000. 50 lakh 63,708. So counting by 5, write the numbers between. See. Between these two numbers, counting by 5, write the numbers between. So first number is 3,34,123. When you add 5 to this number, what will we get? 3,34,128. So again 3,34,133. So in that way, up to 3,34,148, you have to add 5. Counting by 5, write the following, write the numbers between. So here also, the difference should be same between each numbers. Here counting by 10, write the numbers between 54,320 up to 54,360. So 54,330, 54,340 in that way. Counting by 100. Here 4 is in 100 place. So next 500, 600, 700, 800 up to 900. Counting by 1000. You have to increase by 1000. In the thousands place there is 2. You have to change it as 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining digits will be same.